Okay, so in this video I want to tell you about my dream, my ideals, future, and the title is Be Better for a Defined Future. My dream is make to atone my inclement past. I really aware in the near or far future I will face many problems and challenges. But that's not my main concern. The most important thing right now, I must improve myself. I must be better than yesterday and more reflective on myself. If I'm not changed, I cannot achieve my defined future. Every chance that I have, I will take it and not waste it. Right now, I'm the college student of the Christian University of Indonesia, and I will seriously study because this is my chance to become a better person. After that, I want to focus on my fellowship of Christian service. I will study harder than before to improve myself. Other than my study, I must learn many things so I can find many prospects for my future. In the future, I want to become an ambassador or else an author because writing is one of my hobbies. I want to go traveling around the world to see many amazing scenery. My dream is to make my parents proud and live happily in their old age. The other is to make my little brother more successful than me. I want to make my family happy because they are my happiness. Thanks for your attention. That's all of my stories and all my dreams. And see you next time.